To close up something stuffed like a pillow using the ladder stitch, we have our threaded needle with a knot tied in the end. We have our stuffed pillow. Now, I have two different sides, a purple side and a blue side, and I drew a line along the fold on the blue side. And I will show you why in a moment. To start, we go from the inside of the pillow and we come up so our thread's coming out of the fold. Now, we hold our needle so it is parallel to our folds. I'm coming out on the blue side, so the first thing I'm going to do is go in on the purple side and out on the purple side, just going under the fold. My stitch makes a straight line perpendicular to the folds. Coming out on the purple side, so I'm going to go in on the blue side. And here's where that line comes into play. I'm going to go in the line and then out the line straight. Now I'm going out the blue side, so I'm going to go in the purple side and out the purple side, in the blue side, out the blue side. The reason this is good for sewing something that's stuffed is because when I pull these threads, my stitches disappear. So it looks like I machine stitched the entire project. Get to the end, I want to go into where my machine stitch seam is and take one or two final stitches. Now, to tie off my threads, I take a small stitch right where my thread is coming out. Don't pull the thread all the way through and it forms a loop. I put my needle through the loop and pull on the thread and form a second loop. I put my needle through my loop again, pull on the loop to form a third loop, and on the last time I put my needle through the loop, and this time I pull the needle and it forms a knot. To bury my threads and hide my tail ends, I put my needle in right where my thread was coming out at the seam, have it come out at a random spot, clip my threads, and I have a nice sewn pillow that looks like I machine stitched the entire sides. The end.